How to view your public Yelp profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you wondering what your Yelp profile looks like to others? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to view your public Yelp profile in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the Me tab, which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your account page. Now here, you can just tap on your name or the photo at the top, and after that, you'll enter your public profile section. Now here, this will show you how your public profile looks to others. And here you will see everything that's public, like your reviews, photos, compliments, followers, and any badges that you have earned. And this is exactly how others see your profile when they click your name. And that's it. Super easy, right? And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.